The original 2K image already looks great. It's clean, sharp, and visually appealing, but when you compare it to the detailed upscale, you'll notice a huge difference. The original has more of a semi-realistic, almost anime-inspired appearance. The skin is smoother, the textures are softer, and many of the fine details are simplified. After running the 3-sampler detail workflow, the image becomes much more realistic. Skin pores, fabric textures, hair strands, and tiny facial details are all enhanced, giving the entire image greater depth and realism. It's surprising how much extra information this workflow can generate without changing the overall composition. Instead of simply making the image bigger, it adds believable detail that makes the final result feel closer to a real photograph, transforming a semi-realistic render into something that looks remarkably lifelike. So this is just a quick workflow sharing video. I hope you find it useful and enjoy experimenting with it. You can download the workflow completely free using the link in the description. If it helps your projects, let me know what results you get. Enjoy the free download, and I'll see you in the next one.